humans! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi! My name is Lizzy. It's nice to see you here. So, for today's video, I'm super excited kasi mag-unbox lang tayo ng iPhone cases, guys. So, ito po ay pinadala lang po sa akin from different brands. So, there will be 3 different brands of cases that I wanted to share. Merong girly and cheeky, meron ding mga printed na phone case, meron ding mga customized, and also some gift ideas for your loved ones, especially this coming Christmas. And make sure to watch the entire video, guys, kasi ipapag-giveaway ko tong mga iPhone cases na ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, stay tuned for that. So, if you are interested in getting a new phone case, then just keep on watching. So, the first batch of cases that I have is from K-City, Philippines. So, ano siya, guys? Instagram online shop na pinadala sa akin. So, they sent me 3 phone case. So, ipapakita ko siya sa inyo isa-isa. So, itong Gucci na phone case, guys, ito talaga yung unang pinili ko sa kanilang online shop. And actually, meron din silang Shopee, guys. Sobrang mura lang nito, guys. Nakalimutan ko lang yung price. So, ano siya, guys? It has a mattifying effect. And sobrang ganda niya, guys. Actually, ginamit ko na to many times na. That's why meron na siyang mga scratches. And also, nahulog na din to. Kaya meron siyang gasgas dito na part. Pero, okay naman siya. Sobrang matibay niya. Here, parang ano siya, guys, rough. Medyo rough. Sa my top is open siya. And same lang dito sa my bottom part ng phone. So, I really love this one kasi sobrang tagal ko na naghahanap ng mga ganitong phone case. So, for my second case is ito naman. Actually, first time kong makakita ng ganitong phone case na soft drinks yung brand, and it's Coca-Cola. So, it's really cute. So, same pa rin siya, guys. It has a mattifying effect. And wala masyado siyang kaibahan sa unang phone case na pinakita ko sa inyo. I think this one is so cute. That's why pinili ko to. So, for my last phone case from K-City, hindi ko to pinili, guys. Actually, pinili to ng mom ko kasi bet na bet niya yung design and then yung color. And actually, sobrang ganda niya i-flat lay for Instagram post. So, this one is really nice. Mas sobrang matte lang ito, guys, compared dun sa dalawang phone case. So, ito yung phone case na pinadala sa akin from K-City. So, sobrang cute. So, again, thank you so much, K-City Philippines. So, the second batch of cases that I have are what I call customized cases. So, it's from the brand Hanogram. So, they are popular and unique for that. So, pinadala nila ako ng phone case, guys. And sa loob niya, ganito siya. Ayan, merong card. And sa card, guys, nakalagay na pag maganda yung kuha mo, i-feature ka nila sa kanilang website or sa Instagram. So, gandahan nyo yung mga post and tag photos nyo sa kanila kasi baka ma-feature kayo. So, ito yung packaging ng phone case. Actually, ito yung old na packaging nila. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung bagong packaging nila. It's color white. It's very plain. And it says here, Hanogram. And then sa likod naman, it says here, made to order your unique case style and lifestyle. And also, meron din dito kanilang website, Facebook, and Instagram. This is how the phone case looks like. Ayan. Wow, guys. Sobrang ganda. Actually, ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa Hanogram kasi they are popular sa mga customized phone case. And kung titignan nyo, meron dyang nakaprint ng name ko, which is Lizzy. Sobrang cute and floral din siya. So, I really love this one. Inside the phone case, meron siyang foam in order to protect the phone case. So, ganito yung itsura niya and I really love it. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. It's so girly. So, this one is rubber siya, guys. Ayan. And it's bendable. Nabibend siya. And dito sa may top niya is covered siya. Same din dito sa side. And same din dito sa bottom. Pero, meron siyang mga hole sa speaker and charger. Sobrang dami kong natatanggap na compliment and nagtatanong sila sa akin kung saan ko daw to in-order. Hindi lang phone case ang binibenta nila, guys. So, there are a lot of choices sa kanilang website. So, make sure to check them out. So, after a month, guys, pinadalan ulit ako ni Hanogram ng kanilang phone case with its new packaging. And this time, pinadala nila ako ng 3 phone case. So, ito na yung itsura ng kanilang bagong packaging, guys. Ayan. So, sobrang iba niya doon sa old na phone case. So, ito yung lalagyan ng mga phone case ni Hanogram before. So, ano lang siya, guys. Nakalagay siya sa isang parang paper na packaging. And this one is, ano na siya guys, parang matigas yung lalagyan niya. And sobrang classy. So, I'm gonna show you guys sa mga phone case na pinili ko for the second time around sa Hanogram. So, first is this one. So, let's go back to this packaging. Ayan, ganito yung packaging niya guys. It's really classy and I really love it. So, as you can see, meron siyang design na ganito. And this one is pang-lock siya dito sa lalagyan ng phone case. And then, pag bubuksan mo siya, guys, para lang siyang libro. And this is how my first phone case looks like. Ta-da! Girl, I really love this one. It's a customized marble phone case. And for a closer look, this is how it looks like. Ayan. And as you can see sa camera niya guys, intended lang talaga siya dun sa camera. And yung pina-customize ko dito is, it says here, Bless. So, and meron din siyang brand name. Sobrang in love ako sa phone case na to. So, dito sa body part ng phone case, hindi siya bendable. Pero sa side niya guys, is nababend siya. Siguro para it's easy for us na ilagay yung phone. And then, merong nakalagay dito din na Hanogram. And dito sa may bottom part, meron lang siyang mga intended na hole for charger and speaker. And meron siyang mga rough dito na part. I don't know if makikita nyo. Sobrang nakakatulong tong rough part. Kasi lalo na pag medyo basa yung kamay mo, is nag-a-avoid siya na mag-slide down sa kamay mo. So, yan yung purpose nitong rough part dito sa phone case. So, for my second phone case, let's open it. And this is how it looks like. Today! And itong letter A na nakalagay sa phone case ko guys is nag-stand yan for my last name which is Abujan. So, ito guys, hindi ko to pinili. Actually, pinili to ng mom ko. And sobrang nagagandahan siya nito. And meron siyang brand name dito na Hanogram. And this is how it looks like. And again, same lang yung pag-design nila. Ito lang yung nag-iba. So, this one is really cute. So, for my last phone case from Hanogram, let's open it. And this is how it looks like today. This one is really nice. Hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng black na phone case. And hindi din kasi ako hilig sa black. And nung nakita ko to sa website sa Hanogram, sobrang nagandahan talaga ako. Sobrang unique niya. This one stands for my name, Lizzy. And meron din siyang pa-flower effect, which is sobrang nagustuhan ko. And again, glowy din siya. Ito yung mga binigay sa akin from Hanogram. And guys, sobrang in love ako sa mga phone case from Hanogram. So, meron pala akong discount code for Hanogram. Use Lizzy15 to get 15% off. And guys, mag-order na kayo kasi palapit na yung Christmas. And pwede nyo din siyang i-gift sa mga loved ones nyo. So again, make sure to check out Hanogram. So, the last batch of cases that I have, ito yung mga sobrang unique na phone case and sobrang unusual nyo lang makikita. So, it's from the brand Chroma, guys. So, pinadala nila ako ng sobrang daming phone case. So, ito po yung mga pinadala sa akin from Chroma and what makes them unique is that magkaiba po ang kanilang backplate and kanilang frame. Yes, you heard it right. Hindi siya yung typical na phone case na makikita natin na kagaya nito. So, magsisimula muna ako dun sa frame na binigay nila. So, I got a color white and a color pink. That's how the packaging looks like. Ayan. Ayan. So, it says here, BPA-free impact protection case. So, if you guys are wondering what is BPA, so BPA stands for bisphenol A. So, it is a chemical found in many plastic products. Alam niyo naman, binabawas siya ngayon. Nakakadulot siya ng brain damage and whatsoever na sakit. And it also says here, food grade, snug fit, 3mm thin and 30g light. It absorbs over 12 feet of impact. Yes, girl, pwede niyo siyang i-drop test. And ganito na yung itsura ng frame, guys. Ayan. And this is how it looks like. Ayan. It's color white and alam niyo ba, guys, sobrang detailed niya sa loob. I don't know if nafo-focus siya, pero sobrang detailed niya. And meron din siyang mga intended hole lang for speaker, charger. Then, I also got another color. It's pink. This is how it looks like. Ayan, magkapareha lang siya dun sa white na frame. And yung mga colors na pinili ko, guys, is talagang pinag-isipan ko na pwede ko siyang i-match sa kahit anong backplate. So, I have 4 backplate right here. So, ipapakita ko siya sa inyo isa-isa. So, this one, ito yung sobrang favorite ko na backplate. And sa packaging niya guys, meron siyang transparent look dito para makita nyo yung backplate or yung design na napili nyo. And then, sa likod naman, meron siyang instruction dyan kung paano nyo ilalagay or i-install yung backplate sa frame nyo. So, pagtanggal mo doon dito sa packaging is meron pa siyang another packaging in order to protect the backplate. As you can see, sobrang ganda niya. So, this one is transparent and before nyo magagamit to is you need to pull this plastic right here. Ayan. Ayan, meron siyang plastic. So, parang nag-unbox ka lang ng iPhone, guys. Pero, hindi ko muna siya tatanggalin kasi hindi ko pa naman siya gagamitin. And then, merong print dito na nakalagay. So, yan yung mga artist na nag-draw nito, guys. Ang artist nito is si Jacqueline De Leon. So, let's unbox the second backplate. And ganito yung itsura niya, guys. I also like this one kasi sobrang lakas niya maka-summer look. It looks so pretty. And again, meron ding artist dito na nakalagay. And yung nag-design nito is si Janice Song. So this one, hindi na siya transparent. And meron siyang glowy effect and then matte effect yung dito sa loob niya. So this is my third backplate and let's open it. And ganito yung itsura niya, guys. It's so cute. And ano siya, guys? Aso siya, pero hindi ko alam kung anong breed. So, ayan. This one is so cute. And yung artist nito is si It's Lopez. So, siya yung nag-design nito. And, ganito siya kanipis. Ayan. So, for my last backplate, this is how it looks like. It's a cheeky and girly backplate. And, ano siya guys, parang nakasuot siya ng PE uniform. And yung artist nito ay si It's Lopez pa rin. Magkapareha sila ng artist nung, ito guys. Ayan, itong cute na doggy. So, si It's Lopez yung nag-design itong backplate from Chroma. So, again, these are the backplate na pinadala sa akin from Chroma. Sobrang cute niya, guys, as you can see. So, ilalagay ko lahat ng details about this phone case sa description box. And meron din akong discount code for you guys. Just use Lizzy Abujan to get 10% off on your entire order. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to install, remove, and change your backplate. So, without further ado, let's hop into the next video.
Hold your phone with the back facing you. Align the Chroma frame to your phone by checking that the buttons of the frame are aligned to the corresponding buttons of the phone. Slide in the left side of your phone into the corresponding left side of the frame. Gently push in the remaining 2 right corners. Next, align the top part of the backplate. Refer to the cutout for the camera to the top part of the back of your phone. Pop in the top corners first, followed by the bottom corners. You will hear snapping sounds as the backplate secures into each corner.
So that's all for my unboxing for iPhone cases. And the moment that you've been waiting for, the giveaways. I'll be giving away some of this phone case kasi hindi ko naman to magagamit yung iba. And again, hindi naman ako palit ng iPhone case as long as hindi pa nasisira yung phone case ko. Kaya ipapag-giveaway ko siya sa inyo and as a Christmas gift na din. So the mechanics for this giveaway is first, you need to comment down below your favorite phone case na pinakita ko sa inyo. And then second, you need to screenshot your favorite phone case and make sure to post it sa My Day nyo, sa Instagram, Twitter ba, or Facebook. And make sure to tag me, guys. So that's all. Sobrang easy niya, guys. And I will be announcing the winner this December 21. So make sure to follow all the mechanics because, girl, i-check ko talaga siya. So that's all for this video. And I hope nagustuhan nyo yung mga phone case na pinakita ko sa inyo. So again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm